Welcome everybody, and thank you so much for your patience. My name is Janina Santiago. I'm a consultant with Domino Chain, and I'll be your host, so if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Today's agenda consists of two parts. First, we will be discussing and seeing the presentations on blockchain scalability and the solutions proposed by Domino Chain. And secondly, the Government Blockchain Association will present on the use of blockchain for government. Before we begin the presentations, we would like to thank our special guests for attending. Mr. Kirill Krajedzitsky, I apologize if I butchered your name, Mr. Kai Zhang, Mr. Scott Suhi, let me start again. Mr. Kirill Krajedzitsky, Account Manager at Amazon AWS, Mr. Kai Zhang, VP of Product Development at Morgan Stanley, Mr. Scott Suhi, Managing Partner at Proof Venture, Mr. Ken Huang, Chief Blockchain Architect at Distributed Apps and Chair of Blockchain Security Group at Cloud Security Alliance, Mr. Gerard Deshay, President of Government Blockchain Association. So for our first presentation, we will have Matt, and I apologize again if I say the name wrong, Zarnek, Chief Architect of Domino Chain. He's an entrepreneur and creator of a proof-of-person cryptocurrency and a new programming language made to write code easier with high performance. Please welcome Mr. Matt Zarnek.
So a lot of blockchains are saying, well, let's chart ourselves. Ethereum is hoping that they can reach 100,000 transactions per second by sharding themselves. There are a few issues with this. One of them is that sharding, is that the whole point of cryptocurrency is decentralization.
Testnet, December this year, and then mainnet, June of next year. And then by September, we plan to have crypto debit card and checking account integration. And then by December next year, that's a smart contract on the Domino VM. So that's about it. Questions?
Can anybody participate as a core node, or is that left to servers or other machines?
So core node, the question is, can anybody participate as a core node? The answer is yes. There's no restriction, but you need to have the right hardware and the bandwidth. So you can't be like a laptop because that can be slow, right? So, but if you have the right hardware and bandwidth at home, you can participate as a core node. But at least you can participate. You can always participate as a satellite, regardless of what kind of hardware you have. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, next I'd like to introduce Daniel Goldman, CEO of Domi and advisor to Domino Chain. Daniel has co-founded several successful multi-million-dollar,
full HD quality stuff, and I'm really thankful for what Jack's doing with this technology, because like I said, if Jack is saying that they can do 100,000 transactions, he's a man of honor and integrity. I've known him for a very long time. I've never found him to be anything other than completely credible and honest, and that's always been the relationship we've had. So I'm very proud to be able to stand by him as an advisor to help with Domino Blockchain, to help them connect that digital capability to the traditional banking system.
So you guys have we have about 120 groups around the world. So I'm starting to set numbers.
It's okay, so we'll be done in a couple seconds. I'm done. You're okay. Okay.